come back and start with the OxoAcids of sulphur. So you have 4 important oxoacid structures which you need to practice. The first one is sulfurous acid. But what type of question is asked on this? They're going to ask you the nature, whether it is oxidizing, dehydrating or reducing. So I've listed out separately. Sulfurous acid is a strong oxidizing agent. Sorry, no, it is only 2, isn't it? So it is a strong reducing agent because it is only the hydrogen atom. Okay, I'll show that. And sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. So when I have to speak about this, these two are strong oxidizing agents. This also is a strong oxidizing agent. So simple structure, nothing like they'll give you this compound. You need to remember the formula and draw the structure. So sulfur in the center, you have 2 hydrogens, isn't it? 1 oxygen double bonded. Okay, let us not make like this because it may confuse you. Draw the sulfur in the center, then hydrogens distributed. 1 OH here, 1 more OH here. Done. So already 2 are over. The leftover oxygen is here, and you are filled with a lone pair of electrons. Done. Now let's come back and draw sulfuric acid. Sulfur in the center. Done. So 2 hydrogens, isn't it? So make 1 OH here, 1 more OH here. So how many are left? You're left with 2 oxygens. 1 double bond O and double bond O. That is your sulfuric acid. Now when I have to make pyroperoxidized sulfuric acid, you have 2 sulfur atoms. 1 sulfur here, 1 sulfur. How many hydrogens? You have 2 hydrogens, isn't it? Now try to fill in the hydrogens then with OH and OH. It will be easy now. Now you can fill all the oxygens. How many? Already 2 are over, you have 6. So first oxygen, second oxygen, third oxygen, 4th oxygen, 5 and 6, right? Done. Now 6. Okay, the 7th one, 7th, 8. So that's it. It's peroxide. This is the peroxo group, disulfuric acid. Now let's come back into pyrosulfuric acid. In pyrosulfuric acid, again you have sulfur. You have 2 hydrogen atoms. Try to fill the hydrogen atom OH. Try to fill the hydrogen atom OH. Done. Now fill in all the electrons, oxygens. Double bond O oxygen, second oxygen, 1, 2, okay. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6 and 7. That's it. So pyrosulfuric acid is this. So remember, please practice it carefully because it is basically H. Try to place the hydrogen atom so it's easy for you to fill the remaining oxygen atoms.